My name is Pooja Bhosle, currently working as Assistant Professor with AISSMS CHMCT.
Revision on classification of hotels. Hotels are classified on the basis of location, city center, downtown, suburban, motel, airport, resorts, forests, flotels, botels. Target market, commercial, convention, resorts, suites, extended stay, casino, condominiums, timeshare, service or extended stay. Size, small hotels 1 to 25 rooms, medium hotels 26 to 100 rooms, large hotels 101 to 300 rooms, very large hotels 301 to 600 rooms, mega hotels 601 to 1000 rooms, and chain hotels. Level of service, economy or budget, mid-scale or mid-market, luxury segment. Length of stay, transit, residential, semi-residential, on the basis of theme, heritage, ecotel, boutique, spa, Nickelodeon. A hotel is a business organization with the main aim of providing clean, comfortable, and safe accommodation and meals to travelers and tourists at a cost. Travelers consider various criteria valuable before finally selecting a hotel, such as cleanliness, safety, comfort, room rates, friendly staff, quality, service standards, distance from places of interest, and so on. The hotel clients receive a wide variety of services and facilities from the hotel. To carry out all these functions effectively and efficiently, the hotel should have a well organized structure, such as that has the following advantages. It facilitates managerial action, it encourages and improves efficiency, it makes communication easier, faster, and more effective, it ensures the optimal use of resources, it stimulates creativity and adherence to conformity. It creates job satisfaction in employees, thus motivating them to excel. It leads to quality service, nurturing brand loyalty in guests, which would ensure the growth of business. Before a hotel begins its operations, it identifies its specific mission, keeping in mind its target market. The mission provides employees a shared sense of purpose, direction, and opportunity as they work independently towards the organization's overall goals and objectives. What is an organization chart? An organization chart is a hierarchical graphic representation of the structure of an organization, a list of all the positions and the relationship between them. It shows where each position fits in the overall organization as well as where division of responsibility and lines of authority lie. It is a visual representation of how a firm intends authority, responsibility, and information to flow within its formal organization structure. It usually depicts different management functions like accounting, finance, human resources, marketing, production, research and development, etc., and their subdivisions as boxes linked with lines along which decision making power travels downwards and answerability travels upwards. The chart indicates reposting, direct reporting relationships as well as indirect relationships, which throughout not connected directly involve a high degree of cooperation and communication. Each hotel is different and has its unique feature, so the organization chart of the hotels vary from each other. The organization structure depends on the size and the functions of the hotel. Some hotels may lease their outlets to another property or may employ another agency to operate restaurants or housekeeping services. In such cases, these portions will not be a part of the organization chart of the hotel. A small hotel consists of 1 to 25 rooms. The organization chart of a small hotel is as follows: General Manager or Owner, Maintenance, Mechanical Engineer,
stores or purchase, storekeeper, housekeeping, executive housekeeper, housekeeping supervisor, GRA, guest room attendant, front office, FOM, front office manager, LM or DM, lobby manager or duty manager, front office associate, food and beverage service, manager, captain, steward, food production, executive chef, chef de partie, commis or cook, security, security guards, sales and marketing manager, sales and marketing executive, accounts, head accountant, clerk, human resource, HR manager, HR executive. This is the organization chart of a small hotel. A medium hotel has 26 to 100 rooms, and the organization chart of a medium hotel is as follows: Managing Director, General Manager, Maintenance, Engineer, Purchase, Purchasing Clerk, Stores, Storekeeper, Housekeeping, Executive Housekeeper, Assistant Executive Housekeeper, Housekeeping Supervisor, and GRA, Guest Room Attendant. Front Office Manager, LM or DM, Lobby Manager or Duty Manager, Front Office Executive, Front Office Associate, F&B Service, Manager, Assistant Manager, Captain, Steward, Food Production, Executive Chef, Sous Chef, Chef de partie, commis or cook, security, manager, guard, sales and marketing, sales manager, sales executive, sales assistant, marketing, marketing manager, marketing executive, accounts, chief accountant, accounts manager, accounts cashier, human resource, HR executive, human resource executive, human resource assistant. Organization chart of a large hotel. A large hotel has 101 to 300 rooms, and the following is the organization chart of a large hotel. General Manager, Executive Assistant Manager, Director of Rooms Division, Front Office Manager, Assistant Front Office Manager, GRE, Guest Relations Executive, DM or LM, Duty Manager or Lobby Manager, Front Office Representative, Apprentice, Executive Housekeeper, Assistant Executive Housekeeper, Housekeeping Supervisor, GRA, Guest Room Attendant, Apprentice, Director F&B Service, Food and Beverage Manager, Assistant Food and Beverage Manager, Captain, Steward, Executive Chef, Sous Chef, Chef de partie, commis or cook, Apprentice, Director of Human Resources, Training Manager, Training Executive, Personal Manager, Personal Executive, Director of Stores and Purchase, Purchase Officer, Purchase Clerk, Stores Officer, Stores Clerk, Director of Loss and Prevention, LP Manager, Loss and Prevention Manager, Loss and Prevention Executive, Guards, Director of Finance, Chief Accountant, Auditor, Cashier, Director of Engineering, Engineering Manager, Engineer, Director of Sales and Marketing, Sales Manager, Sales Executive, Sales Associate, Apprentice, Marketing Manager, marketing executive, Marcom manager. This is the organization chart of a large hotel. Thank you. Kindly attempt the quiz. The link is given below in the description.